Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to the channel. Back at it again with another tutorial for you guys. Today we are going to do something called the quick shuffle, which I'm not really sure if that's what this move is called. Uh-oh, we got some wind today. Hold on. We got some wind. Hold on. Okay. Okay, now that the wind is gone. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to do a tutorial on something called the quick shuffle. I'm not 100% sure if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm going to call it today, okay? So of course I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like, and then we're going to break it down. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Oh, by the way, guys, do you like my sweater? I'm gonna play myself wearing this today, but I felt cute, okay? And I made it all by myself. Good things come to those who skate. And then the front says, good things are coming. And then, of course, we have butterflies and roller skates on the sleeve. I made it all by myself, and if you want to get one, I definitely do them. You can check it out in the link below. They're available in my shop. Okay, promo over. I have a feeling the wind is going to be very disrespectful today. It was actually like just pretty cloudy, and then the sun decided to come out, so I don't know. California weather is weird. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what this move looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and break it down into small chunks so that you can do it too. So it look like this. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, okay? It may look a little complex, but it's really not once you break it down. So I actually just taught myself this probably like 5 minutes ago, but the way that I broke it down for myself makes a whole lot of sense. So first things first, you want to work on your just basic step out, toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Simple. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Okay? Easy, simple, basic. So from there, this is when you're going to start shifting one foot in front of the other, right? So you're going to go, I like to start in like this V motion, and then I go toe, heel over that back leg. Most of my weight is in that back leg. Heel, toe. Okay? And then for the other side, toe, heel, weight is in that back leg. Kind of, honestly, I want to say it's kind of like an even distribution, okay? But mostly, like, I want to say it's in that front leg, actually, okay? Heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. I'll do it from the back. Starting your like nice little V position. Then you're gonna go toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Simple enough, right? That's all it is. Let the wind pass. Okay, so now, whose kid is screaming bloody murder? So now that we have those toe, heel, heel, toe situation down, the only other thing to really add is to put that toe down. So when I'm going for my V, toe, heel, this back foot kind of pushes out onto the toe, okay? And this front leg is having basically all of your weight, okay? And then you're gonna bring it back, and now you're on your heel, so now you have to switch it to heel, toe. So you're gonna go toe, heel, push it back, weight on that front leg, shift that weight back up so you don't lose your balance. Heel, toe. Toe, heel, shift that leg back, shift it back up, toe. Oh, why do I keep doing that? Heel, toe. Toe, heel, shift it back, weight back up, heel, toe. Toe, heel, shift, heel, toe. I'll show you from the back. Starting your V position. Toe, heel, shift, back up, heel, toe. Toe, heel, shift, back up, heel, toe. Toe, heel, shift, back up, heel, toe. Simple, easy, basic. Oh, the wind. I swear, sometimes being a creator is so tough. One of these days it'll be easier. Okay. So now that we have all of our fundamentals, God, wind, please, just let me have 5 minutes to finish my tutorial, please, please. Okay. Starting your V. Okay. So now that we have all of our fundamentals, the biggest thing is to start adding a little bit of speed, a little bit of momentum, because that's what makes this move look really stylistic. We are going step by step and just like adding some flair, okay? So to begin, you can just start by taking it up one more count, and then another count, and then another count, and then you'll be doing it as fast as you can, okay? So instead of going like toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, let's go toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Okay? So then it's just another tempo up. Okay? So let's try it. Nice and balanced. Toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 toe, heel, heel, toe. I know that's probably annoying, but that's how I taught it to myself. Just like figuring out, because I feel like the biggest part of trying to figure out this move is not knowing if you're doing your heel or your toe, okay? So if you just keep that in mind while you're doing it and like think about that motion, think about toe, heel, heel, toe, it'll program your mind so that you're no longer confused. At least that's how I think about it. I'll do it from the back for you guys again, okay? V, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. And notice too how I'm kind of shifting my body weight to you in my hips. So like I'm not just like 100% straight the whole time. You kind of do have to shift to the side to really get that that toe down and that shift, if you will. So you're like here, shift. Like I'm shifting open. Back. So that like so you're kind of to the side, you're not to the front, you know? Heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Toe, heel, you see? So I'm like shifting to the side a little bit. And yeah, that's about it. Like just make sure that you're taking it slow at first so you don't get all tripped up and trip over yourself and fall. Just take it toe, heel, heel, toe. Another step from that. Toe, heel, heel, toe. Another step from that. Toe, heel, heel, toe. And then you can go toe, heel, heel, toe, you know? So just work on building that momentum. It's not that serious. It's not like, oh, I have to be doing it super fast. It's all about you and your personal style. You know what I always say. Go at your own pace, okay? But yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it for today. It's such a simple move, but it looks super stylistic. And, you know, it feels good. So just give it a try. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, stay groovy. I love you all. Peace.
I love you, 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 I love you.